back to another episode of Zach's Pack. Today we're doing Toca Life World, and we will be doing the tale of the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna use these characters in my later ones. This is me, by the way. Oh sure, I don't think anyone wants to see Cyberfish like that. Now let's get into it. Well, all the three friends were just hanging out at the theater, waiting for Adam and Justin to show up. They found a chicken in their box, and it was holding the special gem. So Boxy said, "Excuse me, can I have my crystal back?" And he said, "Bakak," translation. And Foxy's twin said, "I know what he's saying." He said, "I'll give it back to you, but can I stay with you?" Of course you can. So they put it back, and they got ready for the musical. But before they went on set, they had to hide the chicken. So you put him in a box. Then they got ready. So Boxy and the Foxy twins were casted in big roles. So while they did their script, the person that was a monster came on set, and he went rah, and they all ran, but they knew it was just a show. The chicken laughed like this. Then the cookie person. Then it was the next part of the show. Then the next part of the set was really cool, after the thing was over, the thing finished. Everyone took their bows, took off their things, and then they took their bows. So after that, they got back to their normal clothes. But some people couldn't change them. Some people liked the costumes. So they waited for the next show. As for Boxy and the Foxy twins, they got into their magical box and went somewhere weird. After that, they got to where they needed. They asked a kindly man named Brent if they could show us if he had owned the chicken. He said, "Nope, I don't own it. You can keep it if you want. Just be careful with it." So after that, Boxy decided to get some food. After he paid the cash register and all that, there was a knife. A floating knife. The two people were shocked that the knife moved. But then they said, "Yay, it's gone." Then Boxy said, "Hey, something smells weird." Another gem was found. He was confused, but he told everyone to get in. So then they went home. As as Melody was playing with her friends. And I was waiting for my food. I was starting to wanting to eat Mrs. Burger, but no. This Fishy is still on the toilet. Something's wrong with him. Something's definitely wrong with him. So then they arrived. They arrived with the chicken. Then the chicken ran straight to me. Everyone, we were shocked. Then they got out the box. And then they got the gems out. Then the gems did something insanely weird. They started to fly all over the room. They landed in a box. Then the box itself almost flew. The gems go into place. What happens next is a mystery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on post notifications, and bye!